Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Twirly, I shrunk the heroes! Maybe we should play something other than the fan game. Something like a board game.
Great idea!
It's too late now. I've got the remote. Time to play the fan game. What? No. Wait a minute. I forgot to have breakfast. I better go eat. I'll put the remote right up here. Hey, I've got an idea.
What is it, Tiny Tedmo?
Maybe we could swap the remote with my special remote that transforms me into a key.
Oh yeah, that would be so silly. Now's our chance because Twirly's not looking.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
This here's Tiny Tedmo's remote, not the remote that activates the fan trick.
Now, to her surprise, she will accidentally transform me into a key.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Hi, everybody! Ripley, what are you doing here? I came to play a game with you. A game? What kind of game? Oh, is that remote? We could play the fan trick game, like Twirly always does. Okay, let's play. Wait, we're not ready yet. Da-da-da. Huh? Hey, where did everyone go? Oh, well.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
I guess I pressed the wrong button on the fan trick remote.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da. Hey, what happened? Why did we shrink and we not, blown away by the fan? Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot. Wait, Tiny Tedmo, you're still a bear. Why are you not a key? I accidentally, programmed my remote to shrink and not transform into a key. I forgot to change that. Ow! We gotta press that button so then we could change back to our normal sizes again.